I guess we're just doing shorts because I actually did a 5-minute YouTube video, but apparently my mic wasn't turned on, so shorts na lang. I ordered something from Yumi Toys on Shopee. Not sponsored. I paid for it 390 pesos. This is what's going to be on the loot bag of Kali on Monday for his classmates. And I'll show you guys super quick. Tada! Watercolor. So yes, everything's going to be analog. Offline. This is an art ruler. Super nice. This is pinwheels. Ayan. Diba? So this is just to give you parents an idea of what you can put. This one, 80s babies, 90s babies, you know this, ilagay mo sa water and it grows. It's an experience. This one is Scratch the Night. They scratch and an image appears. And the last one, syempre my all-time favorite, stickers. I'll link down below, guys.